This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. There is also a small fear or a concern among many people out there that will artificial intelligence, the advancement of technology and machine learning take over the job of a professional, not necessarily a company secretary, but a professional. So how do we deal with this threat which is very round the corner, which many people say?
I feel that artificial intelligence cannot take away the jobs of a professional. In fact, it will only facilitate the professional in many ways. To give a small instance, for example, now new versions will come which will be adopted by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, version 3, or many other versions may come, by virtue of which you will find any defect, any wrong filing which has taken, immediately it will be identified by virtue of an artificial intelligence. What does that indicate? It indicates that if such kind of wrong thing happens, it will go for adjudication before the registrar of companies. So here there is a scope once again for our practicing professional, that they can represent by the virtue of their clients before the learned registrar of companies and put forth the views. So in other words, artificial intelligence are not going to take away entirely, but it is only going to facilitate our professional. Now our professional or our practicing company secretary should make best use of this particular artificial intelligence in order to groom himself, so that he appears, he does various other activities. So artificial, see, at the end of the day, I find nothing. Who has built this artificial intelligence? It is the human brain, it is an individual, it is we, it is I, it is you. In other words, simple terms, a human being.
Correct.
So therefore, it is only the brain which has built this particular artificial intelligence. So you will have different another brains which will come out in order to ensure that this particular artificial intelligence which is there in force, which will counter by virtue of appearance before X authorities, Y authorities, Z authorities. It is nothing but ease of doing business and ease of doing the right compliances, as we say in ICSI motto, Satyam Vada Dharmam Chara. So it will be that you should speak the truth and abide by law. So for abiding of law, if artificial intelligence will come, it is only going to facilitate good for the professionals.
So the profession will evolve, and also the new technologies will aid the professional in better compliance and execution of the work.
Yes. It is not going to take away the work, but it is going to help evolve. And you will find the more and more the technology will be in place, more and more requirement of the professional will come into field, because no businessman will be sitting in front of the technology or will sit in the system for doing any professional work. It will only be done by professional work, will be done only by professional, and the business will concentrate only for increasing his more and business, for bringing his profitability. So that is what my thought process is.
Because even when MCA went online in 2006, there was a fear among some sections of people which said that the profession will go down, but in fact it has grown more than 3 or 4 folds with the advent of MCA 21 and all the technologies. Maybe, so part 2 of that may happen with AI and ML.
Yes, in fact I personally felt that as a professional, it will give us more leverage so far as our learning what we had learned in our student days, before because of our communication skill, because of our knowledge on company law, our appearance on those particular law subject would be in a more advantageous position compared to merely filing of returns and forms. So that would be more advantageous, and that would be more and more beneficial for the professional.
Yeah.